Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you place an order on Shopee.com or how can you create a profile on Shopee shopping platform. How can you do that? Basically, we just have to do one thing. We have to go on our Safari browser here and open Shopee here. You can open it on your laptop and maybe on your application also of Shopee application. How can you order on this website? Click on the Shopee here, and firstly it will demand for your reason what we have to do, because this is not available in India. So I will select a company like Singapore. I've selected my country here, and then you can view this is Shopee website and you can shop anything from here. To make your profile, go on the right top corner of your screen called profile here, and you can directly log in with your Apple ID or maybe with your Google account. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.